Hey, what is up YouTube? How are you guys doing today? My name is Tobias and thank you guys for joining me today. If we have any Aquamigos in the house, make some noise in the comment section down below. Today, what I have for you guys is a microphone review by a company called MAONO, and this is actually a company that I do have experience with. I have reviewed one of their microphones in the past. This is the microphone that we will be reviewing today. As you can see, it's kind of like one of those arm stand condenser microphones that are commonly used for like podcasting and stuff like that, and this is a USB condenser mic. And if you look down here, it says it records in a cardioid pattern, which basically just means that audio is captured from the front of the microphone. And just before we get started, I just wanted to say really quick, if you like this video or if this video helps you out in any way, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. And also, if you want to see more videos like this in the future, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell notifications button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's go ahead and get into it. I have the Amazon page up right here. If you look here, this microphone goes for $49.99, comes with free shipping. By the way, guys, I will have this Amazon page for the microphone linked down in the description of this video in case you want to check it out for yourself. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get on with this. And as usual guys, I will be doing a quick unboxing followed by a demonstration followed by a review of this microphone. Alright guys, here's everything that came inside the box. Here's the actual microphone itself. It looks like it even has a mute button and also a headphone input. And then this is the stand for the microphone right here. Here's the cable for the microphone, the USB cable that you can connect to your computer. Over here we have the clamp that gets clamped onto the side of your desk that this mic stand goes into. Here we have a little wind muff that could go over the microphone. Here we have a shock mount for the microphone to sit in, and it came with a pop filter. And then here is a little Velcro piece to I'm assuming to help manage the cable. And of course the user manual, and looks like some contact info, a little contact card. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this thing together right now, and then we'll go ahead and try it out. Alright guys, so as you can see, I got the microphone set up right here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch over from the microphone on my camera to this microphone, so the next audio that you will hear will be from this microphone right here. Alright guys, so now the audio that you are hearing, I said that weird. Now the audio that you are hearing is coming from this microphone right here, and I'm listening to it through my headphones so I can tell how it sounds as well. And I gotta say guys, I am very impressed. Hold on, I keep touching something and it's making noise. Alright, cool. So, I gotta say guys, I'm very impressed by the quality of the audio. As I said, I'm listening to it through my headphones, so I can hear exactly how it sounds. And yeah, it sounds really great. One thing that I like to do is I like to turn the audio, or the volume up kind of high, and listen to see if I hear any hiss. And I'm not hearing any hiss. Of course, when you raise the volume super high, you'll hear background noise. But I mean, no hiss, which is a really cool thing. For a $50 microphone, I gotta say, guys, like these, I feel like these condenser microphones just keep getting better and better. Like, you spend under $100 on a microphone and you're kind of like, oh man, what am I getting into here? But I mean, lately, most of the condenser microphones like this one right here that I've been trying out have sounded great. I think it sounds really good. I just want to Let's test a couple things out. I'm gonna move around. I'm gonna test the distance of my mouth to the microphone. Check, 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 check. I'm gonna stand a little further. Let's see how it picks me up from over here. I'm probably about 5 feet away from the microphone. Regular talking voice. Let's go back. Let's do a little sibilance test. She sells seashells by the seashore. I mean, yeah, it sounds pretty good. Alright guys, I think that's all I need to see here. Let's go ahead and switch back and I'll give you guys my final review on this microphone. Alright guys, so now you're hearing the audio coming from my camera again, not this microphone, and you probably heard a pretty drastic change in quality just now. But I gotta say guys, let's go back to the Amazon page really quick. I'm pretty sure it said, yeah guys, $49.99 with free shipping for this condenser microphone on an arm stand thing with this pop filter. I gotta say guys, that's a really good price in my opinion. I really feel like these microphones, like the price of them, are such a great entry point for getting into something like recording, podcasting, gaming, recording YouTube videos, recording music even. Decent quality equipment to get you started. It's getting like so inexpensive now guys. I feel like it's just like a really good thing. The functionality is really great, simple to use, pretty much take it out of the box, set it up, plug in, and you are good to go. Whenever I review this type of microphone, it just really makes me want to start podcasting. I've never done a podcast. I don't even really listen to podcasts, but it just makes me feel like maybe I should be getting into that. Maybe I'm missing out on something, but I think this is like perfect for it. The quality is great. It's like an all-in-one setup. You got this, you're good to go. As you can tell guys, I am pretty happy with this microphone and I really don't know what else I have to say. I mean, $49.99. I think it's a great price for the quality of microphone you're getting, and it's an all-in-one setup. Like, you can't go wrong with it in my opinion. But I am curious to know what you guys think. Did you guys think it sounded good? Let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this microphone. And I think that's really all I have to say about it. Like, I don't have anything negative to say about it. So once again guys, I will have the link to this microphone linked down in the description below in case you want to check it out for yourself. If you guys like this video, or if this video helped you out in any way, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. And if you want to keep up to date with more of my videos like this, make sure you go down there and hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell notifications button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace!